So, you want to know about the price tag of Apple Park in the heart of Silicon Valley? Brace yourselves. It's a jaw-dropping $5 billion. Now here's the kicker. It's just 4 stories tall, but it costs more than the tallest tower in the world, the Burj Khalifa in Dubai, and it's 3 times shorter. But why is it this expensive, you ask? Well, it's Steve Jobs' final masterpiece, designed by the man himself, although he didn't live to see it completed. Situated on a sprawling 2.6 million square feet of land, this circular wonder boasts a diameter of around 492 meters. That's like fitting a lying-down Eiffel Tower inside. It offers a whopping 110,000 square meters of office space, enough room for up to 12,000 employees. But it's not just about work. This place is a green paradise. With 9,000 trees and over 80% green space, it's an environmental champ. Plus, it sports the world's largest solar roof, generating a whopping 17 MWh of power, enough to meet 75% of its energy needs. And thanks to its clever design, it stays cool with natural ventilation, ditching the AC for 9 months a year. Now, let's talk glass. The building is mostly made of curved glass, and we're talking the world's largest curved glass structure here. If you stretched out all that glass, it would span over 6 kilometers, with the longest pane reaching a staggering 28 meters. And wait, there's more. Right next door, you've got the famous Steve Jobs Theater. The roof, all carbon fiber. Even the seats inside, they're fancy leather ones that cost a whopping $14,000 each. Even regular wooden chairs here cost about $4,000. Need to stay fit and grab a coffee or a meal? No problem. There's a massive 90,000 square feet gym, cafes, dining spots, and shops galore. So when you're pondering that $5 billion price tag, remember it's not just bricks and glass. It's 8 years of hard work, over 80 tons of carbon fiber flown in from Dubai, and materials sourced from more than 16 countries. The big question remains, is it worth every penny?